While closing the eyes, in the beginning, focusing over my words just as a guided tool to enter into the flow of aliveness, to realize the aliveness, to inculcate the aliveness, to channelize the aliveness, to make it as a fountain of aliveness. Make yourself relax. Now, simply lead your focus towards your breathing. Yes, gently observe the breath. See, inhalation and exhalation happens by its own, and we are simply trying to observe it as a witness, as a witness, as a witness, as a witness. Try to observe your breath. See, inhalation happens through nose, again exhaling through nose, and we are just trying to observe it, to make it more conscious, more aware, more harmonious. While observing the breath, simply inhale deeply. Try to deep breathing. Inhale, exhale through nostrils again. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Speedily inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now slow down the speed. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now relax. See, we can breathe. Breathing is happening to us, and we are aware about the breathing. It means we are alive. There is a great proof that breathing is going on, so we are alive. We simply have to observe the breathing, and by simply observing, we can confirm that we are alive. You might think this statement or this concept little bit different, but we have to flow as a scientist from the scratches, from the percent zero. Yes, so as if we are in the first standard of aliveness. So we are talking like this, with simplicity at the base level, at the ground level, as if we are in the first standard, as if we are in the grade 1 of the school of aliveness. So we are making ourselves more aware that, see, we can breathe. See, breathing is happening to us. It means we are alive. So if we think that breathing, the proof of breathing is enough to assure our subconscious mind that yes, aliveness is within us, we are in aliveness. So the next part comes, that is the feeling of gratitude, because we are alive and we know we are alive. This very thought is sufficient to fill ourselves with gratitude. Thank you existence, thank you non-existence, thank you to this whole cosmos, thank you to the each and element of this process of making me alive. So you can say making you alive, and thank you to the whole process, to our ancestors, to our grandparents, to our parents, to this society, to the nature, to the air, to the water, to the earth, to the fire, to the sky, to this Panch Mahabhuta, to this each and every part of divine unknown. I am thankful. I am filled with gratitude. Thank you so much that I am alive and I can realize it. I can feel it that I am alive. So thank you so much for keeping me alive and for realizing me that I am alive. I am filled with aliveness. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I am overflowing with the thought of gratitude because of I am realizing that I am alive, because I can be more aware with my breathing. My breathing is telling me that, expressing me that I am alive. This very proof of aliveness, breathing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Observe the breath. Observe the breath. Hook yourself with the breathing. Go with it. If it goes up to the navel center, go with it. Penetrate the very chakra of Kundalini, the very chakra of Manipur, the very chakra of Nabhi Kendra, the very center of Hara, Tanden, Chi, Kai, whatever you call it as. Penetrate the Nabhi Kendra, penetrate the navel center through the thread of breathing, through the thread of breath, by simply hooking or attaching yourself with the very thread of breathing. Inhale and exhale through nostrils again. Try to inhale up to the navel center. Inhale. Fill your stomach with the breath. Again exhale. Try to empty your stomach. Again inhale. Exhale. See, this time not only the breathing, but there is a hook of understanding that we are alive and we are flowing with the breathing. Inhale and exhale. See, breathing is happening within us and we are just flowing with this carpet of breathing in this very cosmos of our inner world, through the nose up to the navel center, or maybe up to the Muladhara chakra, the base center, or maybe from the crown chakra to the Muladhara chakra, but physically through the nose up to the navel center, wherever we feel it. But with the psychic energy, this breathing flowing, and with this breathing there is another energy flowing, we can call it as, or we may call it as Prana Vayu or Prana Urja. The vital energy force of our very being is flowing with the breathing. It is not only the oxygen which comes in, it is not only the carbon dioxide which goes out. It may be more than that, or we can call it as Prana Urja, or the vital energy force which keeps us alive through the thread of breathing. Breathing might be just a thread to keep us alive, to feel us more alive. But with the thread of breathing, there might be something more, or with more positivity, there may be something more. We call it as ultimate vital energy force which goes through the thread of breathing. Yes, so focus over breathing. Breathing is very crucial. With us, without us, it moves 24 hours within us. We simply have to observe it, feel it, inculcate it, drink it. This very thought of aliveness with the thread of breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now breathe normally while focusing over the breathing process. This one simple proof is enough to realize ourselves that we are alive, we are feeling aliveness, and now it is our turn to give it back to the existence in the form of gratitude. Thank you. Thank you so much, existence, to keep me alive, to make me alive, to feel me alive, to realize me aliveness.